Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to enable the Talkback option. So to get started, let's navigate into the settings. From here you're gonna scroll down to accessibility, and we're looking for Talkback here, so there it is, and simply enable it. Tap on OK. Apparently it doesn't really talk back.
Talkback on. Talkback tutorial. Lesson 1. Basic navigation. Part
there we
1.
go.
Explore by touch. Home button.
So now I'm gonna mute it because it is kind of annoying, but you can see that it is talking.
Vibrate. Developer button. Seek control. 53%.
There we go. So you can see that it is talking, or here more precisely. And in this mode, with the Talkback on, as you can see, you basically select things by tapping on them once, and then you have to tap on them, double click basically to perform that action. Now additionally, if you try to scroll through pages and do stuff like that, you will need to use 2 fingers to do so, because 1 finger is only used to select objects. So there we go. Now to turn it off, I'm gonna go back to the settings, or accessibility more precisely, and let's go back. Apparently that didn't work. So to settings, then accessibility, 2 fingers to scroll down, to Talkback, there we go. And simply let's disable it now to go back to normal. And now it's off, so I can use the phone normally. Now that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.